Welcome! Today we'll discuss when a project manager should prepare the final project report. The question is, when should the project manager prepare the final project report? Let's look at our options. Option A, after the customer has accepted the final deliverable. Option B, after the project manager has been informed that the project has been canceled. Option C, after the project manager has been informed that your organization no longer needs the project deliverables. Option D, all of the above. Option E, none of the above. Let's analyze why option A is the correct answer. The final project report should be prepared after the customer has accepted the final deliverable because, first, this ensures all project work is complete and documented. Second, it allows for comprehensive evaluation of the project's success. And third, it provides closure to the project lifecycle. The other options are incorrect because preparing the report after project cancellation would be incomplete. Preparing it when deliverables are no longer needed would lack proper closure, and options D and E are therefore also incorrect. Remember, the final project report is a crucial document that provides a comprehensive overview of the project's execution and outcomes. It should only be prepared after proper completion and customer acceptance.